Good morning. Today we will discuss about order of execution of constructor and destructor with arguments in single inheritance. You can see we have a class A which is having a data member X. Now you can see we have a default constructor also, we have a parameterized constructor also, and a destructor also in the base class. So three things we have. One is a default constructor, second one is a parameterized constructor, and third one is the destructor. Then we have derived class, which is class B, inheriting features from class A. It is also having a default constructor, it is also having a parameterized constructor, it is also having a destructor in the derived class. Now the moment if I write only B obj, you can see we have just created an object without any parameter, so it is always going to call the default constructors. So in which order it will be called? It is going to call the constructor of base class first, then the constructor of derived class. Automatically then the destructor of derived class will be called first, and then the destructor of base class. We will run this first with the same example. You can see base class default, derived class default, derived class destructor, and base class destructor. Now if I remove this, if I put this in comment, now I am calling a parameterized constructor. I am writing B obj2 and I am passing 1 over here. You can see the moment I write this line, it will go to the definition of derived class constructor first. You can see 1 will be the value of P, but it can see it has called, it is assigning that value 1 to A class constructor. So firstly the constructor of A class passing the value 1 over here, you can see. So 1 will be the value assigned to A, so X will be 1, it will write calling base class parameterized, 1 will be shown over here. The moment it will be executed, it will come back to the same position, then it will assign L as 1 and it will write calling derived class constructor with 1 as the output. Then derived class destructor will be called, and then derived class base class destructor will be called. Let's check it through compiler first. Yes, you can see the base class constructors will always be called first and destructor will be called after derived class. So now calling base class parameterized, then